What's up everyone? Welcome to Technology Trends, your front row seat to the most exciting smartphone reveals. Bell. Before we unfold today's trailer, smash that subscribe button and ding the bell. You don't want to miss what's next. Honor just dropped the Magic V5 Fold. This foldable is not just a phone. It's a statement. Ultra slim, ultra light, and ready to shake up the foldable game. Honor is officially calling the Magic V5 the world's thinnest book-style foldable, just 8.8mm when folded, and about 4.2mm when opened. It weighs approximately 219 grams, and compared to Oppo's Find N5 or Samsung's Z Fold 7, it's blazing slim and surprisingly light. It features an 8-inch 2K plus LTPO inner display and a 6.45-inch OLED cover screen, both equipped with 120Hz refresh rates, supreme for browsing, binging, and work. Under the hood is the Snapdragon 8 Elite, paired with up to 16GB RAM, flagship performance territory. Honor crams in a massive 6100 mAh silicon carbon battery with 66W wired charging, by far the biggest battery seen in a foldable. The rear hosts a 200MP periscope telephoto plus a 50MP wide sensor, ideal for pro-level photography in a foldable form. Mark your calendars. Unveiling is set for July 2nd in Shenzhen, with China first availability and global release expected this September. The Magic V5 Fold takes foldables into new territory, with record-breaking thinness, hefty battery, flagship power, and AI smarts. But can it bring this promise globally? What stood out to you most? The slim profile, big battery, or AI tools? Let me know in the comments. If you're as excited as I am, drop a like, share with your foldable fan friends, and don't forget to subscribe for full reviews and hands-on coverage.